Welcome back to Wild Taste Infusion Elite. Today we are making one of those dishes that never fails to impress. Mushrooms with oil and lemon. It is simple, it is healthy, and the flavor is absolutely beautiful. Let us get started. Mushrooms with olive oil and lemon are always a crowd pleaser. Whether you are serving them as a side dish, spooning them over grilled chicken, or enjoying them on their own with some crusty bread, they deliver every single time. The olive oil gives them a rich, savory depth, and the lemon cuts right through that with a bright, zesty finish. It is a combination that just works. Before we cook, let us talk about why mushrooms deserve a regular spot in your kitchen. They are low in calories and fat, making them a guilt-free addition to any meal. They are loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that protect your cells and support your immune system. And here is something many people do not know. Mushrooms are one of the very few natural food sources of vitamin D, which is essential for bone health and immune function. When you add olive oil into the mix, you're also getting powerful anti-inflammatory and heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. This dish does not just taste good, it is genuinely good for you. Mise en place, a French culinary term that simply means everything in its place. Before we turn on any heat, we're going to gather and prepare all 6 ingredients. 1 pound of fresh mushrooms, half a cup of good quality olive oil, 1 clove of garlic cut in half, a quarter teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of freshly chopped parsley. That is it. Short list, big flavor. Let's cook. Start by trimming your mushroom stems and cutting each one in half. This gives you a flat surface for better browning. Heat your olive oil in a skillet over medium heat until it just starts to shimmer. Add your halved garlic clove and sauté for about 1 minute until it picks up a light golden color. Keep your eye on it. Burnt garlic will turn the oil bitter, and we do not want that. Now add your salt and mushrooms, and here is the key. Stir constantly for 4 full minutes. You want them golden and tender, not soggy. Once they have that beautiful color, add your lemon juice and fresh parsley and stir to combine. Everything comes together in that skillet in seconds. Remove from heat and serve immediately while they are hot and fragrant. Now for the best part, how to serve them. These mushrooms are incredibly versatile. Serve them as a side dish alongside grilled steak or chicken. Spoon them over creamy polenta or mashed potatoes. Pile them on toasted sourdough for a quick and satisfying lunch. Or simply enjoy them on their own. They are that good. However you plate them, serve them warm and fresh for the best experience. And that is mushrooms with oil and lemon from Wild Taste Infusion Elite. A beautiful dish that proves great cooking does not have to be complicated. I hope you give this one a try. I think you're going to love it. If you enjoyed today's recipe, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who loves good food. More recipes are coming your way very soon. Until next time, keep it simple, keep it delicious. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.